The quick connector allows you to easily attach or detach the air hose on your air compressor. The metal coupler has a collar that is slid back to release the mating fitting. It uses ball bearings and springs to secure the fittings. A rubber O-ring seals the fittings together, so air doesn't leak. Over time, the quick connect can wear. It may begin to leak air, or no longer hold the male fitting securely. Replacing the quick connect is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old quick connect from the compressor. Now I can install the new quick connect. It comes with thread sealant pre-applied, so all I have to do is screw it into place. And that's how easy it is to install a new quick connect on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.